data, but yeah, we have collected the information about the customer and their details, like what is their company name, what is their phone number, everything. And this is the amount which one they have spent on buying some item from this salesperson. Okay, this is the order ID has been given, and what we need to calculate in this, we have to calculate the commission which is we are going to pay to uh, respective salesperson. Okay,
Okay.
as this customer has bought the 1 lakh rupees, so he will get the some commission amount from this whatever the amount they have spent. Okay, so we need to calculate that, but first we need to see, because here not only one, there are 4 5 sales id are there. So there are total 9. There are total 9 salesperson are there,
Mhm.
and we need to check what is their respective commission rate. So if the salesperson one, he's having a commission rate 15%, so he is going to get the 15% of this amount. Okay. So basically these are the different tables. The information about the customer and they have spent and who is their salesperson is in a one table. Then in this table only the salesperson id is getting connected, and this is the another table where we have recorded all the information about the salesperson. Okay, so what is their commission rate, it is given here. What is their annual salary, it is mentioned here. What is their base salary, it is mentioned here. So at the end they will get base salary plus commission. Okay, so we are going to calculate what will be their commission when there are two different tables are there. So this will be the always, might be this sheet will be there in the another workbook. Okay,
Okay.
but right now we have both are in a one workbook. So we have to give the reference of this sheet when we are trying to calculate the commission. Means we will fetch here the percentage, the commission rate percentage here, and we will multiply that one with the amount. So we will get the our answer.
Yeah.
So
Got
first
it.
we will understand what is index match. So index match is nothing but it's similar to the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, but they are more faster and more flexible than the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So when you do it specifically means there is a lot of issues with the VLOOKUP, but VLOOKUP takes a lot of time when they search. Okay, so when lot of unused data is there, we don't prefer to use the VLOOKUP. We prefer to use the index match. But if you only use the index and if you only use the match, okay, they are not that much good compared to the VLOOKUP. Okay, but when they come in a one combination together, then they are more powerful than the VLOOKUP. Okay, so first we will understand what how it works. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the match. What is the index? So first you can just type index and what we need to find out for the index. So just type the equal to index. It asks for the array. Okay, so first we will take this and give the name to this first. That is the cells. So we'll give the name to this range as a cells. So we can use that one everywhere. So we have our array that is a cells. Now you need to provide its row and column number.
Mhm.
Okay. Right now we are only using an index. So row, I'm taking a 2. Row number is 2 and column number is 5. So let me see what it returns to me. So I have given the row number 2 and column number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has given me this value 60504.
So you shouldn't write A instead of 5.
No, 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 not required.
Okay.
You can just give the number. We
Okay.
don't, this is only for our understanding. It gives in the alphabet. Here, when you are passing, it should be a number. Which row number?
Okay.
Column number.
Okay.
When you are talking about the cell, there only we need to write the A, B, C, D. So you can see it's very basic thing. We have just given the row number and column number, and from that particular range, it has given us the value. So there is no big thing happen here with the index. Okay. So I'll change it and I'll take it this now as a 4 and 1. So I'll get the name of the salesperson. Okay. At my first column is it's giving me names.
Yeah.
Now try with the match. What match does? Okay. Match asks you to give me a lookup value. So okay, I want to look up the miles pounds. Okay. So where is the lookup array? So it's in a cells. And what is your match type? So I want exact match. So match is try to find out this value in this particular range. Okay. It's showing not applicable. Okay. So now we will only give the range as a first column because we want to find out in a first column, because our name is in a first column. It's not taking a full range. So just give this range. So what are you trying to find out? You are trying to find out the milestones, and we got it that one at the fourth place. Okay. So it is going to give you a row number return. So match, it will give you a row number return or column number return. If you are searching in a column, it will give you a column. If you are searching in a row, it will give you a row. Okay.
Yep.
Now let's create a query with a index and match. Okay. So I'm going to provide the sales ID number, and based on that, I'm going to find out the name of that person. Okay. So let's write a query for that. So index. Okay. My array is sales. I'm going to use the whole one. Okay. Now I'm going to find out the row number. Match. Where I have to look? I have to look in this. Okay. Sorry. What I have to look? I have to look the value 5, means sales ID person. So give a reference to that. Where are you going to look? I'm going to look in the sales representative ID. Match type should be exact match. Yeah. So this is going to give you where is this sales ID, where is this representative ID's row number. Okay. So this match will give us a row number, that is a 6. Okay. Now we need to calculate, we want a name. Okay. So for that, we are going to write one more match inside this as a giving a column number. We want a column number to give it here. So what are you going to look up? I'm going to look up name Name is nothing but the heading of this, okay, these columns. Where are you going to look up? In these columns. What will be the exact match? 0. With the help of this, I am going to get the column name number of the name. Okay, column number of the address or column number of the city, which I don't know where it is. But what I am going to print here, name. So just write a name and give the complete range of the columns here, because we are trying to find out the column number here. So give the column number range. Here we were trying to find out the row number. Here we are trying to find out the column number for the this salesperson ID. Okay. So whoever is the salesperson, ID is 5, his name is this. We'll again do it for the commission rate. Are you able to do that for name?
For the just doing it now. Yeah, it's working.
It's working. Now try it for the commission rate, the same way what we have done for the name.
Okay.
Instead of a name, find out their commission rate.
Should write it 0.1.
Hmm.
It's 10%, right?
Yes, 10%. It should come 10%. Yes. So 10% it is going to show you the 0.1. Okay.
Yeah, the point.
Now, yeah. Now you try it here. The same thing. What you have done.
Okay.
Later on, first we will find out the commission rate and then we will multiply that one with the amount. So here we are taking this as a lookup value. Go to the another sheet and check the where you are going to find out what will be the exact. So in this formula, we just need to do the two things. One is the locking. We need to lock the keys. Okay.
Mhm.
So we don't need to lock the K3.
Block by the dollar sign.
Yes, yes.
All right.
So you need to lock this one, this range, where we are trying to find out the sales ID. Okay. And you have to lock this one, the commission rate name. You have to lock this range. So from wherever you have taken a reference or you are trying to show those should get locked.
Okay.
Okay. K3 only will not be locked, but other all the things will be locked because those are coming from the other sheet, right? So those you lock it. We don't want that range should get changed. It should be a fixed range.
Yes.
So we got it here. What will be their commission rate in the prize
Mhm.
money? So now we are going to multiply that one with
Mhm.
a amount. Okay. So we will get this much is the commission for this salesperson. Just multiply that one with the amount
All right.
and just double click. You will get the commission rate for all the sales ID, sales representatives.
Okay. Yeah, it's working.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll just enter one more cell here.
Mhm.
Okay. And we will find out using a VLOOKUP also.
Okay.
So lookup value, open the another sheet. You can try with the VLOOKUP also.
Mhm.
Just a second, I'm sharing my screen. It's not working for me.
It's not working either.
Yeah, my sheet is not opening and closing also. Just one second, it's something hang.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Did you try for a VLOOKUP?
It should be the other way around. I mean, we should rearrange the columns, if I'm not mistaken, for the sales representative. So first we have to find the sales representative names, then we have to. I'm not
For
sure
columns, yes. In a row you give the range for from sales representative till the K, and same range you give it for the columns as well.
Okay, then what's the unique value that we need to VLOOKUP on?
We are 1 second,
Is it the sales rep?
not getting.
I'm sharing. You want me to share my
Yeah,
screen?
you share your screen. Yeah,
All right.
mine is getting hanged and not getting open only.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, then should we like put this one, the
Yeah.
sales rep?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, then
Comma. Yeah. Now go in a cells. Take it from the, yeah. No, no. You have, yeah. Don't take
from
it like this. Yeah. Till K. Till J. Okay.
G, right? I mean, you mean from F to G, right?
Yes. G to K. G.
And then we have to time it to this it's, it's working, right?
1 second. It's working?
Yeah.
No. Yeah. Okay. Done. So, so you know now how to use the VLOOKUP also, and you know now how to use the commission rate also, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So next part, which we are going to do it, is a what if analysis. That is a very small task, and
Mhm.
just share a one more sheet.
Okay.
You must be having in your download any download folder. If you have,
Yes, I
you
have.
can check it in that what if analysis is there or not.
Okay, let me just check.
As I
It's
shared.
under which module?
Module last one, but it must be there in your data files or download files.
Okay, it's data file.
Earlier we have done, right? So one
Uh,
of that file.
okay, let me just check one by one very quickly. Pivot table. You mean, is it the logic functional or something?
No, no. It's written what if analysis. Second. Yeah. Array formula.
This one, array formula, but it's in,
Can you? Yeah. Open that one. Array formula. No. In a data file, you check it.
yeah,
Yeah. I'll give it 1 second.
yeah, this one, array formula.
Where? No, you are sharing something else.
No, 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 this one. The file is on the onboarding.
Uh-huh. Open that.
Yeah, I
It's
opened
getting
it.
open. Yeah.
Sorry, this one. I open this one, then I open the file. This one, array formula.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah. Click on that.
The file can be opened and protected with, let's close this one.
Yeah. You need to extract that and then only I think it will get open for
Yeah. Hmm.
you. Yeah, open.
Yeah. Is it
Mm.
is it this one?
Yeah, yeah. A goal seek we will go. Array formula we have already done in the first day only, but I'll just again show you quickly. So as here is the apple, their sales sold price and price is given. Okay, so how many apples has been sold and what is their price?
Done.
Okay,
Yeah. Mm.
yeah. So if we calculate and get the subtotal of this, means the complete total, grand total for this. Okay. Instead of going to do this one, we can directly find out the sum by just selecting this complete range and multiplying this range with this.
Mhm.
So what you are doing, you are taking a one range and multiplying that one as it is with respective their cells. So
Yeah.
10 into 15 plus 20 into 17 plus 30 into 10 plus 10 into 30 like that it will done and then you get you the direct the total. Okay.
Yeah.
So we can skip this one. So we don't need to add one more column in our work if we are only looking for the grand total and you can go with this. These things is required when you are going to do the dashboard. So you should know how to do those one and these are the actual shortcuts. Okay. And reduce your work. Okay. We'll come to the goal seek now. So go here is the one small thing. It looks small, but yeah. Okay, I'll just increase the size. Okay. So as we go to the bank and take a loan, right? So there will be a loan amount which we are asking for. Okay, I want a 15 lakh or 30 lakh loan for home or anything. There will be a purpose of that. And so immediately they'll calculate something, they do something, they have some formula and they will let you know, okay, with this interest, you need to pay this much amount for these many months. Okay, so they have a fixed formula. So right here is a formula. The formula is B3, whatever the interest is there. Yeah, interest divided by 12 something formula they have. So we don't require to know about that, but yeah, it's fine. Uh, so what we can do it, we want a specific answer for this formula, right? If I ask them, I want to pay only 25,000, but this is a calculations of formula. We are not going to change the respective values. Like I will not try, okay, he wants for 25,000. So I will try with the 12% now. So it is no, it is not coming. I cannot reduce the rate of interest, right? So I'll try to increase the terms in a month. So I'll try with the 15 months. Then also it is coming 21. Okay, I'll try it with the 14 months. It is coming 23,350. Okay, I'll try it with the 15 months. So, sorry. Okay, but still the exact value will not come for you. Okay, 25 will not going to definitely come for you. Okay, so in this case, what you can do it, you can now after that means you cannot go and try an error there, right? You need an exact number. I want my payment should be 25,000. So in this case, there are a lot of scenarios come in front of us where the formula is fixed and we want to estimate the answer for that formula. This formula should give me this answer without I am making any changes in these values. I don't want to do the trial and error. This formula I want 25,000 as answer from this formula and automatically I should get the reflection in this values. Okay. So in this case, we use the what if analysis. So if you go in a data, select the what if analysis, and here is your goal seek. So you know your goal, you just click on that now. Okay, it will ask you what is your formula, which is your form, which cell is having your formula. So select that one. Okay,
Okay.
and what value you want from this formula, what your answer you are expecting. So I'm expecting 28,000. I want this formula should give me a answer 28,000. Okay,
Mm.
and in this formula there are a lot of values is going, b3 is going, b2 is going, b1 is going. Okay,
Okay.
so out of this, what sale you want to make a changes, right? Interest I cannot change, loan amount I cannot change because I am looking for that particular loan amount. So
Mhm.
what can be making a change? Terms in month. So
Yeah.
select the terms in month here. Okay, so only this value need to be changed because these two values are fixed by the bank. This value is fixed, interest is fixed by bank, and loan amount is fixed by you, right? So what can be a make a changes? Terms in month. So select the terms in month and say okay. So it will automatically calculate for you. Okay.
Nice.
So I think I have given a very less value. So I'll make a changes in that. Okay, my set cell is my formula. My value should be, sorry, minus 30,000, not plus, minus 30,000, because it is going to reduce from my loan amount. So it should be a minus, and my terms in month. Okay, and say okay. For you, it should come. Why? I don't know why. For mine to today, nothing is working. It's working for you.
Let me try.
So here I have calculated the how many years are there. So that only divided by 12. So you can calculate it terms in a year just by dividing this cell by 12.
So, just a question. The value is
Mhm.
the value of the loan or the value of the one that I want to pay monthly, the payment?
This value. Yeah, what you want to do the monthly payment. Yes.
Yeah, what I want to like, okay, for
Yes, yes. If I decided I cannot pay 30,000, I want to pay only 25,000.
the payment is on monthly basis, right?
Yes, monthly basis. So that's why we are finding the terms in month. So
Okay.
how many months I required after paying the interest
Uh,
also?
For me, it's 15, almost 16 months because the loan is
More.
300,060.
Okay, yes. So based on that, it will calculate and give you.
Yeah.
Okay, so these things you can do it for the any formula. Means you have the input for that formula. Okay, and you can just use this what if analysis, not only for the bank purpose or financial purpose, you can even use for any formula. So if you are calculating anything, mean, median, and you have some input values, so in that case also you can use this one. It's a goal seek. So you know your formula is there and you know your goal is what. So based on that, you are actually forcing your formula. After putting this value, I want this answer from you, like that.
Okay.
Yeah. One last thing, that is a data validation. So data validation is okay, we'll do it here. So it used for creating a kind of a drop down menu, or if you are filling some information, and there are a few things which are from that set only you need to check it. So now I'm going to write the product names here, okay, the fruits name whatever is there. So you can make a list here. Okay, so how you can make a list? You can use the data validation. Okay, and you are going to create a list. And what will be your source of the list? This is your source of a list. So I have created this list and said okay. Okay, so once you say okay, you can get it here, the drop down menu. So all the items which one you have selected will get added here, and it will create a one list. Okay,
Yeah. Can you show me again? So,
yeah. So this is also we are going to use during our dashboard creation.
okay.
Okay, so you just need to go to the data validation in a data tools.
Okay.
Use the data validation. Here you can create a list. Use the list option. Give the source. Source is here and say OK. And from this drop down list, you can choose anything. Okay. This will reduce the work also for typing. For some people, they just need to just choose the correct option.
Yeah.
So when we create a dashboard, we don't want all the 5 items should be pasted there. So you can just create a one means one cell you can take and decorate that one and give there the drop down option. Okay. From that, every time whenever you will choose that value, the dashboard will automatically will reflect and take that value as a input, and you can show and talk about that. Like for that also it will use, or who does the data entry, for them also this is the very important tool, because they, if there are a set of some values only, they need to type again and again, so they can just use this data validation and choose the correct option from that rather than type. Okay.
Okay.
So next class we are going to discuss about the project. So what you can do it, you have this project, analytical project using Excel.
Mm-hmm.
Here is a two files. One is this problem statement and one is this a store cells. Okay. So
Okay.
this is a data set and this is a problem statement that you keep downloaded, and even summary table also. And then we will discuss a whole project on Saturday. Just let me know the timings.
Okay.
Uh,
What are you available on Sunday, 12 your time,
yeah,
12 p.m.?
Sunday 12 o'clock.
Yes.
Fine. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay, huh?
12 o'clock, you're 12 o'clock, right?
No, no. I mean anytime,
IS.
even if you are available the same time, but it will be a bit early for you.
Okay. I'll message you.
Sure. I'm Sunday I'm available like until from the morning until 2 p.m. my time.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Fine.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
So
Then
see
see
you
you
on
on
Monday,
Sunday.
on Sunday.
Sunday.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank
Okay.
you so
Bye.
much. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye. Bye.